In this video, we will take a detailed look at the CI access control feature in UCMDB Browser 3.0. The UCMDB browser should be open to all IT users, and some CIs should be exposed and some not. The relevant data should be targeted to the relevant data consumers. Administrative users should have the ability to manage CI access for better read-write control, for enforcing security rules, and to provide more finely grained control of users' access to CI data. Our objective is to provide an authorization system for the UCMDB browser that can be configured by the UCMDB administrator. The UCMDB administrator is able to define whether users with a certain role can view CIs of a certain type. The UCMDB administrator is able to use views to define which CIs are visible and/or editable. With CI access control rules are enforced by the new search engine, as well as in the widgets and in the lightweight modeling. The rules are versatile, and an administrator can authorize by CI type or by view result. General rules expand the data model of the user by allowing additional flexibility beyond accessing views and CI types. CI access control is designed as a whitelist of permitted data that can be expanded rather than excluding data from a blacklist. CI access control is always enabled. We will now demonstrate CI access control functionality with a short video. In the video, you will see how to configure CI access control using the UCMDB user interface, how to view and edit permissions on various CI types and CIs, how these authorization settings influence the UCMDB browser search results, how the settings affect the widget data. CI access control is enabled by default. As the UCMDB administrator, we can define CI access control authorization rules on roles. In the UCMDB UI, let's define two new roles, SME and App Owner for Application Owner. Let's select the Browser CI Authorization tab and check the View All option for the SME roles. This means that a user with the SME role now has view permission on all CIs when logged into the browser. Let's also add edit permissions on all CIs of type Oracle. Let's now use a view to apply permissions to the Application Owner role. Let's select the View PPM application and allow users with the Application Owner role to view and edit all CI instances that are returned by this view. Let's also create two users with these roles, SME1 and App Owner. Let's log into the UCMDB browser as the newly created user, SME1. Now let's search for a PPM application. As the UCMDB administrator, we just authorized this user to see all CIs, so everything is visible. Let's search now for a BCM application. Again, we see the results. Let's open the details of the Properties widget for a server CI and try to edit. The Edit button is not visible because we have edit permission only on CIs of type Oracle. Let's search and open an Oracle CI. We can edit the properties of this CI. Now let's log into the UCMDB browser as the app owner user. Searching for a BSM application gives us no results since we can only view those CIs returned by the ppm application view. Now let's search for a ppm application. We can see the results. Let's edit the properties of a server CI. Any visible CI is now also editable since we granted edit permissions on all CIs in the view. Thank you for watching this video demonstration. For more information on CI access control, refer to the UCMDB Browser Help Center.